Your radio station here in Doha, Qatar. RJ Andy po mga kabayan for the Midday Jam. And as promised, babalik tayo with a beautiful story,
Taste
an
a range of
inspiring one.
styles, right? From ballads to high energy pop. How do you decide on the musical direction of each release?
The musical direction. Before we plan our whole EP, nagkakaroon po kami ng matinding uh, brainstorming kasama yung buong team. And syempre
What is this,
po,
from the writing all the way to the production itself?
lahat po and all encompassing, like yung music videos, yung concept ng mga kanta na ilalabas namin, how many songs will be ballads, how many songs will be this type of music. So from there, we assess kung ano yung nasan kami sa career namin, sa journey namin. So if what we're feeling right now should be aligned to what we're going to release. So,
Okay.
for example, we want to release, we're feeling, if we want to impart a message about the importance of time,
Alright.
yun po yung, dun po kami magbabase kung ano po yung gusto namin ilabas na
Okay.
music.
Kumbaga nagkakaisa naman kayo. You guys are working as a team, no?
Hindi po kami nagkakaisa, sa totoo lang po. Madalas po maraming discussion, pero syempre po, in a team, kailangan merong compromisation, di ba?
Okay.
Kailangan for ano ba yung goal ng grupo, yun naman po palagi. Hindi siya goal
It
ng
has to
artist.
be a total collaboration
Yes
talaga,
po,
di ba?
yes po.
Na everybody accepts.
Yes
Of
po.
course, okay.
Yun,
Di ba,
kaya po,
ganun?
kaya po namin nabuo yung EP, nag-create kami. First time po namin maglabas ng rock song na galing po kay Ken.
Excellent.
So parang kumukuha po kami ng fragments of each member.
Alright.
Kasi po mahirap po yung grupo na parang magde-decide kami, kailangan mag-a-agree lahat. So ganito lang gawin natin. O ikaw, pili ka ng isa, gagawin natin yan. Pili ka ng isa, gagawin natin yan. So that parang everyone is happy or parang gets to experience each member's thoughts and feelings po. Ganun po siya.
Excellent. So at least everybody has a say kahit papano. So that's good, that's good. All right, guys, another question here. This one's for Stel naman. So Stel, first of all, guys, I gotta say congratulations. You guys have done so
Thank
much
you.
for the
Maraming
Philippines, ha?
salamat po.
Hindi lang para sa inyo, kundi para sa buong bansa natin for representing, di ba? Congratulations, guys. And with that, you've made history as the first Southeast Asian act to chart sa Billboard, di ba? Billboard Social 50 and Next Big Sound. And ang dami pa nito. You've got a lot under your belt, pare. How does it feel to represent the Filipino? Lalo na yung music natin, pare, on stage.
Grabe.
Di ba? So, yung
So-
pinakamabigat na tanong.
Actually po, every time we receive an achievement, talagang, syempre we feel happy, honored, and super proud po. Hindi lang sa aming lima, but of course, sa team po namin. Kasi hindi naman po namin magagawa lahat ng to without the support with them na kasama namin everywhere kami pumunta. And, syempre hindi po mawawala yung fans na nandyan. Parang lahat po ng achievement kasi na to hindi siya mangyayari. Di ba po may kasabihan tayo, hindi naman po andar ang barko kung walang nagpapatakbo nito.
Mismo.
So parang,
Captain!
Okay.
hindi po kasi di ba kung kaming lima lang po, hindi po siya uusad eh. Pero kung wala yung mga taong naniniwala, sumusuporta po sa amin, hindi kami magkakaroon ng fire to do the things that we wanna do pa.
Iba talaga pakiramdam rin if they sing it back to you, no?
Opo, parang kahit po yung mga
Diba?
ibang lahi din, na parang they love our language, even our culture, they try to understand us. Malaking bagay po yun kasi hindi lang naman po to about music eh. This is something we wanna share not only to our fans but also outside the Philippines na hindi lang music yung gusto nilang marinig from us, even our story. Now, open din kami i-share. Kaya I think people can really connect to us and they really understand what we want to say through our music. And I think we are not only representing Filipino music, also our culture and yung paniniwala namin na I think it's time that Filipinos really deserve the spotlight kasi we can really propel in every aspect kasi we're very talented and marami tayong alam gawin. At alam natin na kahit sa parte ng bansa, there's a lot of Filipino po talaga.
Yes, and we've had already a lot of examples that you guys already know, syempre, in our history, di ba, na who have been world-renowned.
Yes.
And just like yourselves, congratulations na rin.
Thank you.
Galing.
Thank you.
All right, I think Millie has another question here for you.
Yes, let's talk about the word simula't wakas. And I wanted Josh to answer this one. Because it means end and beginning, right? What story are you telling to this concert series? Bakit siya simula't wakas?
Mahaba po ito eh. Meron pa ba tayo ano? Pero to
Okay
make it very parang short lang, siguro yung buong it started syempre with the idea of Pablo po with the trilogy. So from before po ano kasi siya nag-start po kami sa pagsibol.
Okay.
So germination and then pagtatag po. Yung pagsibol is ano nga bang ano natin doon? Question mark. Then yes po pagsibol or paano po natin yan ano. Tapos yung exclamation mark is the next ano po para ginamit po namin for the symbol. Doon yun naman po yung pagtatag. It means parang syempre po pagtatag po talaga kung paano si SB19 kasi po noong una nagpapakilala po, then pangalawa po parang this is SB19 and then po doon na po tayo sa simula at wakas bumalik po ulit sa seed or doon sa fruit kasi po yung question mark is the germination, yung pagtatag is the tree, tapos po bumalik po doon sa fruit or seed, tapos kaya po siya naging simula at wakas kasi it's a cycle po.
So parang regeneration nga.
Yes po,
Diba?
kung saan
Or reincarnation, I would say.
kung saan nagwawakas, doon din po nagsisimula. So
Yeah.
hindi po talaga siya doon natatapos, pero doon po namin ni-revolve yung buong concept for the entire EP. So ayun po, and the concert itself po. Ayun, marami pa pong explanation, pero yun po yung main idea.
Okay. Thank you.
Sige.
Thank you, Josh.
Okay guys, break muna tayo sa ating classroom recitation ha. Ito muna tayo, kwentuhan muna tayo. So, kwentuhan nyo naman kami. Like, what are the most memorable moments nyo sa current world tour? Okay, of course, excluding Doha, dahil you're just experiencing it now. This is for everybody. Ano yung mga naaalala nyo na you know, during your tours? Kahit yun sa Pilipinas, or sa, ano ba yung tumatak sa inyo na experience or siguro something that nag-impact sa'yo? Personally.
Sino sasagot?
Diba? That's something. Sige, kahit sino. Anybody can answer.
Siguro po kasi other than the concert itself, generally yung tour namin since the beginning, the first one, Wayat, Pagtatag, and right now, yung mga experience namin na makapag-tour, makapunta sa ibang bansa. Siguro po like one is the first time we've been to Good Day New York. It's such a big milestone po for us kasi kumbaga parang it's a public televised program sa New York, tapos po after namin nun paglabas namin, even the police na nakasalubong namin tinanong na parang kayo ba yung nasa Good Day New York? So parang sobrang laking yeah.
Yun na nakakagulat.
So parang ang laki ng nararating nung simpleng parang part lang siya nung tour namin, pero ang daming nangyayari, and also seeing good culture, yung environment, yung scenery ng ibang bansa, mas nakakadagdag siya ng inspiration na kaya natin tong parang ganito pala dito sa ibang bansa. It's sobrang ganda, and we know na parang soon sa Pilipinas, maging ganito rin siya, pupuntahan din siya ng maraming tao. Parang ganun po, nai-inspire kami seeing those things. So, ayun po, generally, yun, ibang yung view, yung experience namin other than the concert itself.
Nice.
Okay. Well, speaking of concerts, since concert na nila niyan tomorrow, what fans can expect from your performance tomorrow at the Qatar National Convention Center? Can you answer that?
I think sa lahat po ng performance namin napanood na ng mga fans. And this time, kasi kung ano yung perform namin sa Philippines, yun lang din po yung dinala namin sa dinala namin sa iba't ibang parte ng ng mundo. And there's not much there's not much changes pagdating sa performance namin. But what they can expect is 100% best na performance na ipapakita namin sa kanila every time na mag-perform kami, and we will try to accommodate everyone as much as we can. Kasi mahirap kasi, for example, like yung fan service namin, medyo nahihirapan kami mag-accommodate sa lahat kasi madami, diba? But you know,
Teens.
as much as we can, we'll really try to, you know, anuhin sila.
Cater.
Yeah.
Right?
Kasi, ano eh, ha? Malapitan man lang. Yun yung gusto namin gawin talaga. But, you know, for everyone's safety, minsan, ano kami, medyo, ano muna kasi, mahirap eh. Kasi magtutulakan sa harap, ganun. So, may mga maiipit, ganun. So, yun yung gusto namin iwasan. So,
Okay. So,
Ayan. So, all right, yeah, guys, let's keep it light on this one. You know, Doha is known for its vibrant Filipino community, and laki na dito. I think we're about 250,000 more or less. Yeah, and growing. And you guys have, yan, ang camera natin. Our Facebook live fans are watching right now. So, any message, any special message that you guys want to send to our fans out there na nanonood ngayon?
and also invite everyone to
Yeah,
watch
invite na rin.
tomorrow.
Yeah, invite them na rin.
hello po sa inyong lahat dyan, sa lahat ng mga nanonood. Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. And I hope that you guys are having a good time listening to us while we're discussing something or sa interview na to. I hope na nag-enjoy kayo. And, you know, sa mga pupunta po sa concert namin dito sa Qatar National Convention Center, magkita-kita po tayong lahat and mag-enjoy po kayong lahat. That's tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow 8 p.m. Yeah,
Yeah.
tsaka may mga tickets po na available sa lahat po ng gustong manood. Pwede po kayo mag-avail ng tickets. Sa saan dyan? Sa...
Ayan. Sa...
Wait.
Qtickets,
wala na.
qtickets.com.
and
Qtickets.
slash
Yeah.
Syria.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. Sige, brother,
Thank you for that.
would you like to invite them your way?
Yes, syempre po tomorrow magkita-kita po tayo. Make sure po namin na magiging unforgettable po yung experience nyo. Syempre, especially sa mga kabayan natin dito na namimiss na ang Philippines at ang mga performances na ganito. I-make sure po namin na it's gonna be worth your time and syempre your efforts. Yun lang po. Maraming salamat syempre para sa mga 80 namin.
Okay. Lastly, can we just ask them to say you're listening to Kabayan Radio and
Yeah. Pero wait, they might have some more messages. Sige, go ahead, bro. Yeah, you have any more messages? Okay na kayo? All right.
Yeah,
It's still gonna go somewhere after this.
Yeah.
Yeah, sa lahat po ng 18 na nanonood ngayon and also mga kabayan natin, sana po ay masuportahan nyo ang musika ng Pilipino. You could listen to SB19. Puntahan nyo lang po ang mga social media accounts namin, SB19 Official or Official SB19. At syempre po, yun nga, bukas na ang concert namin here sa Qatar. And hindi lang yan dyan natatapos ng simula at wakas kasi meron pa po kaming Bangkok and Oceana Leg. Sana po ay mabisita nyo rin ang aming social media for that.
Alright.
Thank you.
Also, by the way, later, why don't you tell them to for the press
we're
the press
inviting you
con?
guys to come over din sa may Mall of Qatar for 7 p.m. para sa ating press con. alright?
Magmamalling kami. Nila pa.
Okay, thank you, SB19.
Ayan. SB19, thank you so much. You know, your collaborations also with the other artists are just amazing.
Congratulations.
Keep on doing what you're doing, pare, and good luck, man. I mean, wish you all the best.
We'll see you
Nakasuporta kami
later.
lahat sa
Can you
inyo.
say Kabayan Radio 94.3 bye. Alright.
Yeah, Kabayan Radio 94.3. You're listening to Kabayan Radio 94.3. 1, 2, 3.
Kabayan Radio.
All right.